The holiday season is upon us, and today I have something extra special to share with you. We are not talking about giant festival trees or expensive decoration. Instead, we are focusing on the magic of tiny handmade festival tree. Little creations that can light up your home desk or gift table with charm and love. These small and tiny trees are not just decoration, they are little symbols of joy. Symbols of joy, creativity, and holiday spirit. Whether you live in a cozy apartment, want to make decorations with kids, or simply love crafting, these teeny trees are perfect project for you. So grab your craft supplies and let's bring some handmade holiday magic to life. Magical tree, festival tree are the heart of the holiday celebrations, but not everyone has space for a tall one. That's where teeny trees come in. They are affordable, eco-friendly, and personal. You can place them on desk shelves, nightstands, or even as dining table centerpiece. Small handmade trees also make thoughtful gifts. Imagine giving someone a handcrafted mini tree. It's not just decoration, it's a piece of your creativity and heart. And because they are small, you can experiment with many designs without needing a huge budget. Start with a paper cone, then decorate it with glitter, cotton or colored paper strips, and small beads or buttons as ornament, and you have got an affordable and adorable little desk tree. Jute and twine trees using cardboard cones, wrap them tightly with jute or twine, and tiny stars, bells, or lace to give them a rustic farmer's look. These are perfect for minimalist natural style decor. Stick mason jars, lids in a cone shape and glue them together. Decorate with mini fairy lights, ribbons, and coffee and bubbles. These three will look elegant on coffee tables, on shelves. Classic and timeless tiny bottle brushes tree can be placed in jars, gift box, or used as a table toppers. You can even spray them with artificial snow for a tiny wintry touch. So next is cut felt or leftover fabric into circles or a craft paper. Stake them in decreasing sizes and secure with a stick and or skewer. These layers look create a soft and colorful tree. Great tree creates kids' room. One of the simplest and cutest ideas. Use a